With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
It is given that if the remainders of the polynomial f of x when divided by x minus 1, x minus 2 are 2 and 5, then the remainder of f of x when divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is. We know that according to the remainder theorem, any function of x is given as the divisor multiplied, this is the divisor, right, given the divisor multiplied by the quotient of x plus the remainder of x, right? So we have let that this is the quotient and this is the remainder, right? So let us say that the remainder is of the form r of x is equal to ax plus b. Why? Because this term is going to be a quadratic term and the remainder can only have a degree less than the quadratic. So let us say the possibilities are that it has to be a linear equation, right? It cannot be a quadratic, so it has to be of degree 1, so that is why it is a linear equation. Now let us say that f of x is first divided by x minus 1, right? So we'll have f of x is equal to x minus 1 into the quotient of x plus the remainder of x, right? This remainder is a function of x. That is why we have kept it in the x form. Now what we need to find is, let us say that x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, this equation will take the form f of 1 is equal to, this part will become 0, and we would need to find when what the remainder is when x is equal to 1. So that is equal to a plus b, and this is given to us as equal to 2, right? So this is equal to 2, and let us call this equation number 1, right? Also, when f of x is divided by 2, right, x minus 2, then we will have f of x, let us write it in red color, right? We have f of x is equal to x minus 2 multiplied by q of x is equal to plus r of x, right, plus r of x. This is what we'll have. Now if x is equal to 2, then we'll have f of 2 is equal to, this part will become 0 and we'll have the remainder of 2, so that will be equal to simply 2a plus b, right? 2a plus b. Now it is also given that when this is true, that when f of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is equal to 5. So this remainder must be equal to 5. Now we have two equations and two variables a and b. Now what we can do is we can simply eliminate one of the terms from one of the equations and then put it into the other one. So let us say that we are subtracting these two equations, right? So we have equation 1 subtracted from equation 2. So this will give us that 2a plus b minus a plus b, this will be 5 minus 2. So this will imply that 3 is equal to a, right? This is 3, this is a. And since a plus b is equal to 2, this also implies that b is equal to minus 1. So our remainder of x, that is ax plus b, will be of the form remainder of x is equal to ax plus b is equal to 3x minus 1. So this will be our remainder for the given function, for the given question. So the correct option is option number 4.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.